Hi, today at Ride Auto we have a new body cell 2012 Ram 3500 1-ton crew cab with the full doors, long bed, 4-wheel drive, high output Cummins 6.7 liter turbo diesel. It's got the trailer tow package. Can you hit those flashers in the back real quick? I want to show you, they're pretty cool. It's got the brand new 18-inch wheels, black running boards, telescopic towing mirrors, built-in signals, beautiful truck. Bug deflector, clean title vehicle, no hail. This is an out-of-state vehicle. Take a look at these wheels and tires. They're brand new. The frame is clean. 1 ton. These are the towing mirrors. Fully loaded. There's an inspection report. Fleet maintained. Interior is in really nice shape. No warning lights. Trailer brake controller. There's different, if you want it to go to the left, or if you want it to go to the right or the middle. It's got an exhaust brake controller, shift on the flat 4-wheel drive, keyless remote, center console lifts up. Take a look under the doors, the cab corners, they're all clean because this is an out-of-state vehicle. On the ones with the bigger doors, you get that compartment there. Lots of storage. Ladder rack on top. Those are the lights there. That's the tray, the slide. Put all your heavy stuff in here. Roll it back in and locks into place. Clean running diesel, start right up for us today, no issues. Beautiful truck, folks. Non-smoker. Fleet maintained. This thing is beautiful. Let's take you on a short test ride, show you how the vehicle drives. There are absolutely no warning lights on the dash. Again, vehicle start right up today. It's a little bit chilly. We got the heat blasting, that's starting to kick in. The automatic transmission goes from gear to gear without any delays. Power windows are 1 touch down, 1 touch back up. Factory CD player with the iPod connection. You have steering, audio controls, cruise control. So it's not a plain Jane model, folks. Even though it's got that construction utility topper, it's not a plain Jane. It's got a lot of options. Now we have a lot of trucks for you to choose from. Ford, Dodge, Chevy, the big three. There are more to my right here. But if you're looking for a utility topper, this would be it. And if you don't like the utility topper, we could definitely help you out with getting rid of it and putting a tailgate inside it so that you could use it as a regular truck, kind of like these ones. But I think we're going to keep it this way because there's a lot of people that could use this particular topper. Now all we have to do with this is shut this off here like this. But this 6.7 liter inline 6, all these semi trucks, if you could ever focus in on the one in the front of us and the ones that are leaving, even the trash truck, they all pretty much use an inline 6. And a lot of people swear by this Cummins. They say that it's a great engine, that a diesel engine is not a diesel heavy duty unless it's an inline 6. And you know what? To a point I do agree. But I don't pick sides. I like Ford, I like Chevy, I like Dodge, I like all three of them. I think they're all great. This particular truck, it's a hard to find truck because it's a 1-ton single axle. It's super clean, freshly detailed, just retired, 1 owner, no accident vehicle, brand new tires, brand new brakes. This thing runs and drives fantastic. I mean, no issues with it whatsoever. The oil change sticker is up here. We just changed the oil. Financing is available. All you have to do is fill up a simple online application for credit. The 2 switches to my left here real quick, you may have seen it in the video. Well, they're for the compartment, as you can read there. So the compartment lights up. And this thing is a torque monster. I mean, you step on this thing, it's got a lot of power. Class leading in its time. Financing is available. All you have to do is fill up a simple online application for credit on our website. We'd be happy to work on it. We'd try to get you approved at the terms on the rates that you can afford. Give us a call with any questions, and we'll be happy to help you.